to deposit a check in the Bank of America app. Now, the first thing you want to do is you can either do this on the app or on the Bank of America website. I will be using the app. So first thing you do, you get Bank of America mobile banking app on your phone. Then you want to open up the app and you actually just want to go over to the option that is called deposit checks. Now it's in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. You just click on that. And from here, it'll bring you to this panel like so, where you can actually scan the front of check and the back of the check. Now, just by clicking on this camera icon, and then you enter in the check amount right here. You just enter in the exact number. If it's like $20 or $200 or $202.22, you just enter in the exact number right there, and then you just click on next once you've scanned it properly and deposit the check. It will take about 24 hours to populate into your Bank of America balance. But once you've done that, it will just show up in your account and you will be good. I just recommend holding on to the check until it actually does show up in your balance so you don't lose the money and do not just make